Alright, I'm going to teach you how to use the Loft and the Shell tool. First thing we're going to do is make a new document in Fusion, and we're going to do a new sketch on the bottom. Alright, I want you to draw a rectangle. Let's make this rectangle 3 tab 4. So we're just drawing a 3 tab 4 rectangle. I'll leave that up there for you to see. 3 tab 4. Alright. Finish sketch. Okay. Next, this is a new thing. Click on Construct, Offset Plane. Construct, Offset Plane. Then you're going to click on your big rectangle that you drew. And it's going to turn yellow. And we're going to pull this up, let's say 5 inches. And press Enter. Or click OK. We now have a floating work plane. We're going to create a new sketch on the floating work plane. So let's go to New Sketch. Click on the floating work plane. And on this, I want you to draw a polygon. Go to Create, Polygon. There's 3 of them. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose the top one. And we're going to click roughly in the middle. Alright, you can type in the size if you want. So I'm going to do 1, and then I'm going to press Tab. And when I press Tab, it comes over here, and I can change how many sides. So right now, it has 6 sides. But if you want it to have 3, you could type in a 3. Or if you want to have 5 sides, or if you want to have 10 sides, put a number in. Don't go over 10. It gets all crazy. And then hit the Enter key. Finish your sketch. We now have a floating shape, and we have a shape down here. We're going to click on Create, and we're going to go to the Loft tool. It's a new tool for us to use. I'm going to click on the 2 shapes, and it's going to combine them with a loft. Okay? So again, Create, Loft, and then click on those 2 shapes, and it's going to combine them. Okay, not quite done yet. Now we're going to turn this into like a vase or a container. Let's go to Modify, and we're going to go down to the fourth one down, Shell. Modify, Shell. Whatever surface you click on will become the opening, and it has to be a flat surface. So I'm going to click on the top right here because it's flat, and then pull on the little arrow. All right, you can control how thick that is. So click on the top flat surface, and then hit OK, and you now have a container that you could put something in. Okay, it's called the Shell tool. That's it. Show Mr. Corbett so you can get credit for this. I recommend you save it.